Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good weekend, and welcome to this new video on Solana, your daily update. It's going to be an important update because yesterday we fell down even more, and right now we are at an absolutely crucial support level, which you can also see in a three-day time frame very easily. And that's the level around 120 and 125. So we will talk about whether that's actually a buy opportunity or that we should be afraid, because if this level fails, just in general, I'm not saying it will fail, a little bit of a spoiler alert, I don't think it will fail, but if this level will fail, also on the weekly time frame, for example, it's a major level, then Solana turns very bearish on the higher time frames. All right, so we'll talk about that. We'll do a full video here. So yeah, that's what we'll do. All right, so let's get right into it. So first of all, to kind of sketch the fundamental image of Solana. To be fair, it hasn't really changed that much. So if you still remember the image from yesterday, just skip ahead a minute, I would say, in this video. But no, Solana is suffering, right, for multiple reasons. First of all, Solana against Bitcoin is very weak here. It's nearing a support level, so that's decent, all right. So we might actually expect some sort of a bounce here. Which means that Solana can actually outperform Bitcoin if that happens. It hasn't happened so far, just for clarity. But also, if we look at the fundamentals for Solana, total value locked, DEX trading volumes, revenue, and well, those three are the main fundamentals behind the Solana network. They're all still bearish. Right, which is not great, and just in general, that's also in line with what we hear about Solana now that Tron also has some sort of a pump.fun, and a lot of people are afraid of Solana, and that's the only reason why it actually worked, was those meme coin launches, and the revenues made by that. Now, do I necessarily believe in that? No, I still think that when you look at the layer 1 blockchains, regardless of how good Solana is doing right now, Solana has performed very well in this year. The community around it is still great, and it's also I think it's actually like there's more quality decentralized applications on that. All right, but all right, those are the fundamentals. We'll still have to see. It still has to recover. I think it will, but that's something we will keep an eye on. All right. So then, if we look at Solana and we look at the technicals, it is, like I said, I mean, if we're at a crucial level. If you really zoom out for Solana, you would expect this level to hold. Because, and that's also what I think, because if you zoom out, the main structure that Solana has been in since April, so that's a very long period of time, it's this consolidation right here between 120. We once spiked down all the way to 110, but all right, it's mainly 120. And ultimately, I would say 185, all right, with some fake outs above that. This is the market structure. And then the main question is that, all right, well, now we're at the bottom of that market structure. Is there any reason to believe why that support would not hold? And at this moment, there are some reasons to believe that, because the fundamentals are not great. And like I said earlier as well, Solana against Bitcoin is suffering. However, for the main reason that I think it's a major support level, plus that I actually do think Bitcoin is going to hold its support, I do think Solana is going to hold its support as well. Now, so far, we haven't really seen a bit, so I do think it's most likely we will drop down lower into this support level. So that will drop down into 125, 120. We might even see a spike like we saw Monday, the 5th of August. But that's what I do expect. But then after that, I do expect a bounce of at least a couple of percentages up to that 140 level. And then from there, we'll see again. I mean, ultimately, if we're unable to get some sort of a strong reclaim from this support, which I think will hold, then we might have to talk about the possibility of breaking down below that. But the sheer high time frame strength of the support level alone should already provide with at least some sort of a bounce like this. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think this is what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.